Hi, my name is Anushka Kaiwar. I am currently a first year in undergraduate college, and I am a psychology and biology double major with a theater minor. I did the anxiety counseling certification. And my feedback for this workshop was that it was very informational, and I learned a lot of new techniques and tools that I haven't ever come across before. And I thought that was really interesting, and I'm surely going to be using that in my life going forward because I want to be pursuing clinical psychology. And one thing that I really enjoyed about it was uh, um, Divya ma'am and Mamta ma'am, whatever questions I had, they made sure to answer them in detail and didn't just give me surface level answers. So whenever I asked something, I was always sure that my question would be answered to the degree with at which I would have wanted the answer. So I really liked that.
And
Thank you.
Anushka, what has been your key learning and takeaway through the entire process?
From the course, you mean?
Yes,
Like
from the
the course material? I think my key learning or takeaway was the I feel about when that statement, mainly because, and I thought that on the first day, like as soon as I did that, I thought that that would be something that would stick with me for the rest of my life because I felt like it was a very um, almost like amazing way to get somebody to come to terms with what they're feeling, because I think it's the most important for you to first understand what is going on within you and all your conflicting ideas and what you feel like your problems are before you can even reach out for help from someone else and allow someone else to help you out and let them in. So I think that was something that was my key takeaway.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shreya Shah. I'm currently a part two master's student at SNDT Women's University Churchgate campus. I'm pursuing my master's in counseling psychology. I recently completed this course on anxiety counseling from ICHARS, and my experience was definitely wonderful. We learned a lot of techniques here and from various disciplines, which is something that I was very impressed with because uh, it's just it's too limiting when you just use any one discipline to approach a particular concern. So using mindfulness and cognitive based techniques in this particular course really helped me understand how different things can be used in different ways to help the client and help the person in need. So that was something that I definitely loved. The questions were very amazingly answered by the mentors, and the course was very structured, which is something that I definitely appreciated. And the best part is there was time allotted for each and every person to practice each and every technique that was being taught. And there was feedback also given along with supervision, which is something that helped us in understanding the way we understood things from our mentors. So I really appreciate that. My key learnings from this particular course was definitely the I feel about when part, because it's just one statement. However, the one statement reflects our feelings, our meanings, and the content about which we feel something regarding. So it was very crisp and definitely an amazing way to communicate in different ways and with different people. So yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Shreya.
Sabha Tebreval, and currently I'm pursuing my master's in psychology and specializing in clinical psychology. So I attended this anxiety counseling workshop with ICHARS, and my key takeaway from this entire workshop is that I feel that there's a certain kind of skill development since whatever tool we learn, we practice immediately. So this practice leads you with skills, and also the workshop is not theoretical at all. It has practical application. So whatever you learn, you will be able to apply in the therapy itself, in the therapy session itself, and it equips you. The workshop equips one with different methods which are practical and effective at the same time, and provides one with detailed session plans. So whenever a client walks in, you know what to do in different sessions. Um, with them which plan to which tool to apply and how and in what circumstances what method you can apply, and it was highly interactive and engaging. Even though it was straight for 8 hours, still it was engaging. And special mention to Divya Raksha ma'am and Mamta ma'am for being sensitive to all our queries and doubts. Thank you.
Thank you, Sabya. Kumkum?
Yeah, my name is Kumkum and I'm pursuing my bachelor's in philosophy actually, but I was given this opportunity to take up the anxiety counseling course, and I just took it because I knew how good and well this platform is, because I have previously completed another course with them. Uh, in this particular one, there were a lot of practice sessions. I think it would have been more difficult for us to put these learnings to practice if these did not happen. And as everybody pointed out, that our mentors, Divya ma'am and Mamta ma'am, answered our questions really well. And if we had any connecting doubts, they would happily answer them as well, no matter how long it took. Even though the sessions were 8 hours, time really flew by, and I don't know how it ended so quickly. I thoroughly enjoyed this, and my key learning was definitely the self-help techniques. I'm definitely going to be using them in my life, and I hope I can help other people out as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Kumkum. Thank you so much, all of you.